Hi, I'm Josh Ellsworth with Imprintables Warehouse. Today I'd like to show you a little bit about the Hotronix Air Swinger heat press and a different custom configuration we did for heat pressing polypropylene bags and other odd-shaped items with this heat press. First, this heat press is fully digital, time, temperature, and it has air pressure, so it's fully automatic, where it's a 2-button lockdown. It's going to count down the time. I have it programmed for 15 seconds. As soon as it's finished, it'll automatically open, and I simply swing the press completely away and swing it back to complete my next application. As it's finishing up here, we're going to wait, swing it away. It comes standard with a 16 by 20 heat press platen. This is ideal for doing t-shirts, hoodies, any basic flat item, any garments. If you want to do bags, and if you're a high volume production shop or a promotional product company doing a lot of polypropylene, different transfer programs, or even printing your own with the VersaCam print cut system, that's where we come into play. You can simply unload the 16 by 20 platen, send us your range of bags. Here we have 4 bags that we've prototyped for a company where they send us the bags, and a key thing when you're heat pressing any item is that you need accurate time, accurate temperature, and even pressure. And we set the platen system up for the heat press so you can accomplish just that. The first bag that we have here is a large 20-inch by 16 bag, and you can see that there's different seams, straps that you have to work with here. And the key is when you're in high production, you want something that just slips onto a platen that fits it every time. So we've custom cut a platen here. We laser cut the steel, and then we custom cut the pad so it's inset so the seams have room to fall over the edges, which I'll show you here. So you simply load the platen on, take your bag, and the bag's going to open completely up because this press is completely open underneath. That way it's 100% threadable. Slide the bag on. You can see when your production workers are working with the bags, it slides on right and accurate every time. There's no give from either side. And if I take my finger around here and trace it, you can see that all the seams are falling down over the edge of the pad. So when I take my press and lock it down, I complete my 5-second application or whatever your transfer calls for. As soon as it's finished, I swing my press away. I take the bag off and load my next one, and I can continue to run through all my production on this type of bag, because I know your pieces are probably like 300, 500, 1,000 pieces at a time, and it's very easy to load and unload with a custom platen that we manufacture for you. So this is one size bag. The next size bag that we were sent is a slightly smaller. And you can see we've manufactured the platen much in the same way, where we've inset the pad, simply load it on, slide the bag on, all the seams fall over the edge, complete my application again, slide my bag off, load my next one. Very quick and efficient. The next bag that we received is a little trickier to do. You can see it has a thicker seam up top. On this particular. So we've custom cut a platen that just has a inset pad on the top portion. So you load it, slide the bag on. You can see everything completely falls over the edge. So there's no pressure on any of these seams, and there's no give from side to side. So it loads accurately. It butt registers up against the front of the platen. So you just slide it all the way on, and it stays accurately positioned every time. We're the experts at Imprintables Warehouse and Hotronix and manufacture. So we even have laser alignment tools. I don't have one set up today. We have laser alignment tools that you can set up next to the press so you hit your transfer in the same spot every time. We're trying to eliminate all the guesswork. And the last bag we had to do is actually a paper bag. We've custom cut this platen, so we just load it. The pad's inset on both sides. Open up the bag, slide it on. Once again, there's nothing interfering with my application and with my pressure. So it's going to lock down, complete its application. You simply swing it away, and that's it. We deliver these heat presses. We custom manufacture the platens. If you're interested in doing a transfer program on bags, whether it's polypropylene, veneer polyester, nylon, or canvas, or any fabric, give us a call at Imprintables Warehouse at 1-800-347-0068. I'm Josh Ellsworth. I'm at extension 236, and I'd be happy to set you up today. Thanks.